Paint check, quick. Paint check, quick. Right here.
Where?
Right here.
No, I don't think so. You're good.
If not, take the backside of this and lane them.
What's up YouTube, it's Nightmare and welcome back to the ever popular Seabreeze Paintball.
My way, come through. Oh, stopping.
This is a simple team deathmatch style game taking place in and around the village.
Dave's in the church. They've got 3, top of church.
As with any village game, flanking is key, so Tuna and I want to move up the side of the field and catch the other players off guard. Unfortunately for us though, many of these players have watched our videos on YouTube and knew exactly where we would go off of the break.
We got one at the berm.
Stopping here was an absolutely terrible decision. Because we sat here so long, that gave the opposing players time to move up and dig in on their side of the field.
Yeah.
There happens to be a player directly in front of me, but he is hiding behind some thick brush. He can see and shoot through it, but it would take a lucky shot on my part to eliminate him.
They are. Yep. Their focus is on me. Reloading. Sakes. I'm out of air.
I really should have filled up my tank before this game, but unfortunately we played 2 games back to back.
Anyone have a spare 13 on them?
No. You out? You need a pistol?
You know what? Let's do pistol. Give me a pistol.
Red. Down here,
Is this already cocked?
Red barn.
Do I gotta break the seal?
Maybe. I don't know. I can't remember. I've got Zetas on the ass and shit. Here,
Yep.
take a Zeta. Yeah, but it works. Another one?
Yeah, throw me another one if you got one. I'm gonna use some stupid.
Oh, yeah. Let him out. Let him out.
Whoa.
Right, I'm out of air.
Are ya?
Dude, yeah, well, I'll roll with you. Give me my pistol back.
You want your pistol back?
No, we can roll together. I'll roll with you. I got like 1 or 2.
All right. As soon as if I go down, I'm putting it down on the ground.
Okay, I'll be right behind you. Let's just move then.
All right.
Let's try going back this way. Cheyenne's the only one left here. He's just dug in.
He's dug in, so all that's left is that way.
Let's go this way. You go first.
Yeah, there's a guy right there.
What a teammate.
I need this
Tuna first lends me his pistol, then runs out of air, and doesn't even want it back until I get eliminated. They sure don't make them like that anymore.
I think Cheyenne moved up this way. Whoa. Paint check, quick. Paint check, quick. Right here.
Where?
Right here.
No, I don't think so. You're good. Back to the Blue Saloon and gray.
Yeah.
I might even see him in the window on the Blue Saloon. I'm totally out of air. I'm just going to check his surrender.
Last minute. That's it. I'm going in.
Damn it.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. If you went on to enjoy the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to watch more of my first-person action videos, make sure you click the link over here. If you want some paintball fails submitted by you guys, click on this link. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit this little button down here and subscribe for the latest and greatest paintball videos. That's it for me this week, guys, so I'll see you guys on Saturday with episode 8 of Bonus Ball. Until then, Nightmare out.